So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 every day without any experience. A simple and straightforward way. So guys, before we get started, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video, right? So as you could see on my screen, I'll refresh for you. A lot of people say I'm faking it. And that's not the truth. But as you could see right now, this is Clickbank website. Again, what is Clickbank? Basically, it's an affiliate marketplace where you can find products which you can sell and you can get a commission. So all you have to do is just go on Clickbank, register yourself, just click on marketplace. Once you go on your marketplace, you would see a lot of products. So if you just go on view all offers, you are going to see a lot of products. And again, $134.54. Basically, if you use this link and sell this product, you are going to get an average commission of around $134, right? So this is how it is, but I'm going to show you how to find the best products to promote, and also which has less competition and likely more to convert, right? So now all you have to do is just click on new offers. Once you go on new offers, all you have to do is sort by gravity high to low. So again, when you do gravity high to low, which means this is the product where around 5 people are making money, which means it's converting. So now what you could do is literally go on this, just copy this thing and search in your browser. And as you could see right now, a lot of people are promoting this as well. So fast brain with discount. And when you open this up, again, this is where you get your landing page. And again, it's a very simple landing page, or not a lot is happening over here. In fact, you could make it much more better. So again, now you know you found a product which is making money. Second thing is you see people are promoting it, which means it's making money. Now the third thing is you found the landing page. Now you need to make it a little better. So what I could do is, I would say, special offer for the supplement. I could add a timer. I could make it much more better. So now I have all of these things. Now the only thing which I need to do is promote it. And if you're new, so I would start with Microsoft Ads. Again, it's much more easier. So all you have to do is just go on Microsoft Ads and register over here. And if you're registering for the first time, you can get some coupons as well. So I got around $500. So again, you could see over here, get a $500 advertising credit. So again, if you don't have the money, this is really helpful. Once you sign up over here, let me click on it. I'm already registered, right? So I'm not going to get the money. But if you're someone who's new, you are going to get $500. Once you register over here, all you have to do is just click on create campaign, click on visit my website, click on search ad. Once you do that, all you have to do is just click on next. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do direct linking, right? So it will directly link the product. So again, this is the product. So what I'm going to do is first copy this thing. Okay, campaign name is Fast Brain Booster, and I can add today's date, 24th May. I can keep a budget of $50. I'm going to select English. I'm going to select United States, tier 1 countries, right? I can just press enter, and usually it's given over here as well. If I click on affiliate page, they give you everything over here. So they give you the email swipes, they give you everything. And if you have any more questions, you can just contact them on Skype. But for now, we are just going to go and select United States, select English. Okay, now click on next. Once you go over here, I would say ad group, Fast Brain Booster ad group. What I'm going to do is literally I'm just going to paste this one over here. Okay, I'm going to do phrase match, and then the other one would be same thing with review. Okay, now once that's done, just click on save and go to next step, create a new ad. All you have to do is responsive search ads, click on promote. Okay, create an hop link, copy this thing, come back over here. This would be your tracking template. This is your tracking template. Now the next thing which you need to do is copy before the question mark everything. Just come over here, paste it. Then I could just copy this thing and paste it over here. Go back, copy this thing, paste it over here. And in fact, they suggest you as well. Okay, and then special offer 80% off. So once this is done, 80% off, free shipping. You can add the description by your official website. Okay, you can just press this, cost price guaranteed. This looks good. We have added the tracking template. All you have to do is just click on test. Everything is found. Just click on save. Ignore the rest of them. If you want to add much more variations, you can add over here. So you could do copy add, and you could literally do fast brain. And once that's done, click on save. Again, if you want to learn about cycling extension, action extension, call out extension, I have showed everything in my free course. The link is down below. But for now, I'm just going to skip it. I'm going to go save and go to next step. For now, bids, I'm gonna keep it as it is right now. Okay, if I get the clicks, I'm going to keep the bids as it is. If I'm not getting the impression or the clicks, I'm going to increase the bids. I think so. That's it. And you just have to click on save. Once you do the save, your campaign would go on review, and after the review, your ads would start. And this is how you would start making money, right? So as simple as it is, nothing is complicated. Just try it out with few products and you would be profitable. Trust me, there are times where you have just spent $5 and you start making $100, and it's very simple. And I think so that's it for today's video. If you really like the video, please consider subscribing. And also, if you have any questions, do message me on Instagram. I'm more than happy to reply over there and help you out, guys. And if you want to learn more about this, just check out my free course. The link is down below. And I think so that's it for today's video. Please consider subscribing. And Yavar Khan signing off.